Okay, so today I am using this absolute nut job, Hitchhiker. I got him up to level 1. I had a few games this morning and I'm somewhat comfortable using this guy. He feels a lot quicker and I like the fact that, hang on, I can like squeeze through gaps. It's a lot easier just to chase down the victims. But yeah, so let's see if I can actually kill someone, because I'm still yet to kill someone and win a game. Well, win a game as a victim anyway. Okay, oh no, Grandpa's on the corner, I believe. I just want to check before I start doing shit. Yeah, okay, he's there. So, I noticed Hitchhiker's one that sets all the traps. Leatherface is just murders people. And then Cook, he's like the slow one. He's the one that you sort of camp around Grandpa. He's the one that feeds him the blood, etc. Oh shit, I gotta be careful of that. So what I might do, yeah, I just want to find blood first. Collect it. I want to try and leave some of the traps. Fucking hell. By the basement stairs. Oh. That's Cook. Fuck's sake, I actually thought I was a bad guy then. And you gotta protect Grandpa as well, I've noticed. Because the victims can actually hurt them. Okay. Grandpa fed for now. May as well give him another dose. I'm still trying to get used to the PC, mind. It is bloody awkward. Okay, I'm gonna find some. Ooh. That's Cook. I caught someone in my trap before, that helped me. It was around by here, which I believe is. Hang on. By here. So I obviously need to get through this gate. And I'm gonna put one not far away from Grandpa, I think, as well. As if they're trying to attack him. Because he's very important, I've noticed. And I'm going to put another one by this door by here. Because when I've been playing, they normally come around here. Hello? What the fuck? Hello? Come here. Fuck's sake, I hate that bloody well. Okay. They're around. I'm gonna quickly feed Grandpa and I'm gonna go back to that little area. Go 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 go. Yes, 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 yes. Fuck off. Come on! Oh, what? I had it. Fuck. Yes! Come on. Come on, Grandpa. Oh! I just saw someone. Yes. Go, go, go. Oh, fuck. Go, 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 go. Come on. Get through, get through, get through. Come on. Don't jump down that fucking well. fuck's sake. Okay, she's at the bottom, she's at the basement. Come on, come on, come on. Catch up to him. Yes! Come on! Another one down. That's done. We won. Okay, so we've got our characters. Not loadout. So what have I got here? So I've noticed you can have perks. These are the traps. Obviously, I haven't unlocked anything else here. I just need to play more, I guess. And, yeah, so I'm almost at level 1. And that's with the traps. Wrong button. And these are my perks. So, I've got these equipped. Okay, so, what's this one? Ooh. I feel like damage is important because he's only got a bloody small bloody knife. Let's get the savagery up. I suppose that's more of a balanced. Because I have the savagery, endurance, and the blood harvesting. Even though that's not really my duty, is it? What other ones are there? After being hit with a sneak attack, the attacking victim is highlighted for 3 seconds. No. Now keep them. Keep that as it is. And you can modify. Yeah. Oh shit, everyone's waiting for me. My bad. Okay, so daytime. Okay, this map I'm very unfamiliar with. Oh, I see blood. Okay, I gotta make sure I'm locking the doors. Not only closing them, but locking them. The hardest part of this game is closing the bloody doors. Right. F. Jesus Christ. Okay, this one might be a bit of a struggle, because I have no idea what this map is. Oh, Jesus. It got me again. Shit. This nice little slaughterhouse. Lock the door. Oh! Go on, Leatherface, get him. Ah, there's Grandpa. Hello, mate. Okay, Leatherface is still chasing him over there, which is good. So this is a bit of a maze, this one is. Jesus. Okay, I'm just gonna roam around a bit this map. I'm just gonna look around, see what and who I can find. Oh, please tell me there's a way to go down here. Oh, I need to set some traps down actually. So I should break the barricade.
You'll never see this. It always works. Here you go, Grandpa.
Oh, shit. Yes.
Fight over here.
Oh, come on. Stop doing this. Oh, this is annoying as fuck. I'm gonna set another trap here. Fuck, I thought I had her then. I really thought I had her. Ah, you heard that. Come here, boyo. Oh, I hate that he just stops.
I'm sorry about your friend, but I'm afraid you done landed square down in the shit house.
Oh, fuck, Ash, you know, why all of us down here? Leatherface, get up, get up. Come here, I heard you. Oh! Yeah, he's gonna stun me and he's a fucking twat. Oh, come on! Oh my god, get on, you fucking twat!
Why you running?
Leatherface, leave me alone! Do your own shit. I'm gonna set a trap down by it. Come on.
This'll catch him.
I bloody hope so.
Still doing it. Hey, come on. I was just playing.
Yes.
Think what's come
So. But, oh my god, this fucking game. Execute him. Yes. Oh, that feels good doing that to him. He's annoying me. That's it now, isn't it? Come on. 2 games, 2 wins, 2 kills. Yeah, definitely getting better now. Definitely getting more used to this. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said, yeah, I think I'm going to do that from now on. Just use different characters for different episodes. And yeah, thank you for watching. Ta-ra. There we are. I'll do it.